While reading the famous book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, I came across a very interesting concept. The concept of P and PC balance. This concept is based on the famous story which we used to hear during our childhood. We used to hear in childhood the story of goose and golden egg. We all know once there was a farmer who once found his goose started giving golden egg on daily basis. He became very happy. Gradually he became greedy and thought came to his mind, why not to take all the golden eggs at the same time? Under the influence of greed, he killed his goose. And we all are aware, he found nothing. Similarly, the author has tried to compare this with very interesting concept, the concept of P and PC balance. Here P is a production, golden egg, and PC is a goose, the production capacity. So if we focus only on production without thinking about the health of production capacity, we will not able to generate production for a long period of time. Similarly, if we will continue to focus only on production capacity without thinking about production, without aiming anything, we will reach nowhere. So it is very important to balance both the production and production capacity. Let's see how this concept we can apply in pharma sales. In pharma sales, you can see here the P stands for primary and secondary sales figures, and PC stands for process C's. There are 4 C's: customer coverage, communication, conversion, and customer engagement. So being a pharma sales manager, if we focus only on primary and secondary sales figures, particularly on primary sales figure, without thinking about customer coverage, communication, conversion, customer engagement, will be able to generate business consistently? Will be able to provide consistent growth to the company? Similarly, if we continue to focus only on 4 C's, on process, coverage, communication, conversion, customer engagement, without aiming any target, will we able to achieve it? The answer is no. To become an effective pharma sales manager, we need to balance both. We need to have equal focus on processes and the same amount of focus we need to have on primary figures. Famous author has said, only results are rewarded, efforts aren't. In pharma sales, only numbers are rewarded, process aren't. I feel process and primary both needs to be rewarded. This is my perspective. What is your perspective? Please write the same in comment. I would love to hear it. With this, I am Sanket Kanabar in this episode of Effective Pharma FLN, taking exit until I come up with my next video.